Hello guys, welcome to the 12th session of the Entity Framework Core 2.0 tutorials. In this session we will learn how to perform the sorting and filtering operation while retrieving the data. I am using the code first approach that we have created in the previous sessions. And I am already added some dummy data into the table so we can easily observe the changes. I am attaching the script for this. If you need, you can download it. Let's switch to the Visual Studio. Before creating the sort action, I am going to create a new method named print as a string, which will take the book instance as a parameter and return the string. And copy those lines and paste it. Create a string buffer as b equal to new string builder and change name to the book. Now create a new action name sort book details. Public string sort book details, which will take the column name as a parameter. Create a try catch block. Return the x.message. First of all, we will retrieve all of the books. For that, write to where books equal to context.book dot include author dot as no tracking, which will return all of the books. Now we will check whether the column name is exist or not. If it was exist, then we will perform the sorting operation based on the column name. For that, create the switch case block. Switch on the column name dot to lower. Write the case on ID. Books equal to books dot order by b such that b dot id, and break and copy and paste that case and replace it with the price, author name, and title of the book. After this, create a string builder. Data equal to new string builder and loop through the each item within the books. Data dot append print as a string and pass the our book instance, and at the end return that data as a string. Save it and run. Let's open the sort action home/sort book details. You can see that it written all of the books detail. The first is the book ID 1, second is book ID 2, book ID 5, 7, and continue. If we are not specifying the sort order, it will retrieve as per the book ID by default. Let's sort with the column name price. The first book price is 240, second book is 360, third is 604, 640, 848, and last would be highest 1704. Let's sort those by the title. The first book is head first. Second book is also start with the head first. Third one is also start with the head first. Fourth with the high performance. Fifth with the jQuery. Sixth with the professional. And seventh also with the professional. All are sorted as per the alphabetical order. And now we will create a method for the filtering. Create a action name public string filter book details, which take the two parameters. The first will be a column name and the second will be a value. Let's create a try catch block. Return x.message. Within a try, if column name not equal to null and value not equal to null, then first of all we need to retrieve the list of book. For that, write to where books equal to context.books.include author dot as no tracking. Create a switch case block on the column name dot to lower. Create a case for the ID. As per the database, ID will be numeric, and as per the parameter to that action, it will be numeric. So we need to typecast it. Write the integer ID equal to convert dot to int 32 and pass the value. Books equal to books dot where b such that b dot id equal id that we are typecasted, and copy that case. Now we will create for the price. Again, price is numeric, so we need to typecast it, but we need to typecast into the double. Price equal to the price. Author is a string, so we does not need to typecast it. We need to write the author dot name equal value. Again, title is string, so write the b dot title equal value, and we need to convert this to the double and copy the loop from the above sort method and paste it. Let's run the project. If both of parameter is not exist, then we need to return the error message. missing column name or the value, and let's run it. Let's open our filter action, home/filter book details. You can see that it written the error message. Now add the column name equal to ID and value equal to the 1. So it's written the first book detail only. Let's copy the any title from the database. Let's pick the head first SQL and change column name to the title and value to the head first SQL. You can see that it written the only head first SQL. Now let's copy the author name and change column name to the author and value to the you can see that 1, 2. We have 2 entry for that author, so it's written the 2 books. Let's see what we are learning in this session. First of all, we have created a method named print as a string, which will return the book detail as a string from the book object. Then we have created the sort book detail action, which take the column name as a parameter, and based on that column we are sort the our data. To sort the data, we are use the order by method of the link queue. Then we have created the filter book details section, which take the value along with the column name. Based on that, we are retrieving the data. To filter the data, we are use the where method of the link queue. And here are the some of the URL to the our sort and the filter action. If you have any doubt, feel free to contact me. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.